Did I have to go so fast that I ripped a hole in one of my coach's brake pipes, and it had to be repaired with, of all things, a passenger's bootlace. I am a silly engine. If I pull anything bad against the top and hat on a paint me blue. Now, where is that James? Oh, here he is. Hi, James. Hi, Thomas. So Topham Hatt told me that he wanted to give you a second chance today, so he gave you a job. He wants you to take some vans across to Abbey. Really? He's giving me a job after all that happened? Well, I guess I'll do it. Finally have a job again. I'll show Topham Hatt how good I can be. Hey, James. What? You got some bootlaces ready? Ah, you little... Show him and to Topham Hatt. Oh, ow. We want a proper engine, not a red monster. Oh, zip it. Come along, you silly trucks. Really nice place. You know, they call me the Red Rocket for a reason. Goods Express coming through! Come on, you silly trucks. Keep up, keep up. We're keeping up. We're keeping up. We're almost to the hill. Alright, at this point this will be a breeze. Give it up. You can't pull us. You can't. Okay, not as much of a breeze as I thought it would be. Come on. It's easy now, it's easy. That's why it was easy. Come on. Hey, James, you can do this. Come on. Come on. Keep on going. Keep on going. You can do this, James. You can do this, James. Wait. Yes! I've done it! I've done it! He's coming down the tracks now! Abbott, safe and sound.